Hello, everybody, and welcome to the next video lesson. We're going to look at grammar, the will and won't predictions. They will win, they won't win. We're going to look at when we use will and won't with predictions of the future. We're going to look at vocabulary and opposite verbs. These are sometimes difficult, but so very important. And we're going to look at those. And then we're going to look at pronunciation of l and won't. And you've got it right here. I'll be late. I'll be late for work. I will. Now, the British are going to have a slightly different pronunciation of that. But this is where you can enjoy those differences and improve even faster. So here we have a quote. This is a quote, a dialogue here. You'll miss your flight. No, I won't. These are two predictions. One person says they're going to miss it. The other person says they won't. We'll find out who misses it. Have you ever missed a flight? I hope not, because it's an expensive error. Error is E-R-R-E-O-R. But let's look at these opposite verbs. We're going to start with that. You're going to listen. You're going to have a listening exercise straight away, right away. Write down the main verb in each sentence, and then ask yourself, what's the opposite of this verb? Now, let's go to 157, which is right here. And we have the opposites. Take a look here. Arrive early. Leave. Arrive and leave. Leave is the opposite of arrive. Now, let me tell you what I love about the book here. Arrive early or arrive late are very common phrases in English. So you want to remember these. We use these a lot. Break your phone. Unfortunately, it happens. And you can see the photos here that we'll give you. Here's number 6. There's a broken phone. Number 6, you put right here, break your phone, number 6. But what's the opposite of break? Well, we go down and we see probably fix or repair. So the really important words here. These you use every day. Every day you're using these words. Go through the verbs. Make sure and look at the common phrases that they're used with, and practice these in sentences, and then look at understand the opposite. This is a really important exercise. Listen, you'll have the listening file to help you, but what I recommend is with a speaking partner, go ahead and practice these sentences using this common phrase. I forgot her name. I forgot his name. I lent money to my friend. I love cooking for my parents. I missed the train or a train yesterday. Thankfully, I didn't, because I did take a train, but I didn't lose it. This is a really important page. Take your time and learn these words carefully, because you're going to use them a lot in your English experience. Now, we're going to go down to grammar, will and won't. Very, very important here. So, are you a positive person or a negative person? Are you a positive person or a negative person? So the check-in queue, the queue is the line that you wait in. You're waiting in a line. A line is American. Queue, right there, we call it queue, is British. Q is really slow. Now, are you positive and you say, don't worry, it'll start moving soon? Or are you negative? I know we'll miss the flight. Are you rather more positive or more negative? This is great. So you can have a lot of fun with your speaking partners or with yourself, asking yourself, what would I most likely answer? And then we'll find out how positive or negative you are, and we'll talk about this during the live. So, I've lent my brother some money. I'm sure he'll pay it back. That's rather positive. Oh, you might know your brother well, and so you know he will. So maybe it's just a fact. But if you're not for sure and you're positive, you'll say, I know he'll pay you back. And if you're negative, pessimistic, here it is, optimist, pessimist. Pessimist is negative, optimist is positive. If you're pessimistic, if you're negative, you'll say, you won't see that money again. You won't see it again. Bye-bye. Bye-bye to the money. All right, go through these. I'll take my driving test tomorrow. It'll go well, you'll see. You won't pass. Do you have any friends like that that are always negative? I hope you don't have too many, because this is really difficult to deal with. All of this negativity, it's hard to cope. All right. Here we go with, I'm selling my old laptop on eBay. You'll sell it easily. Nobody will buy it. And next, number 6, hooray, we're in the final. Yes, but we'll lose. Yes, I'm sure we'll win. Wow. I'm sure we'll win. Number 7, I'm having Japanese class next week. That'll be interesting. You'll never learn it. Oh, Japanese is too hard to learn. I hope you're not saying that about English. Even if you are a pessimist, you need to say that English is possible and that you're going to learn it. And indeed we are. All right, so you can check here the listening. I went through just a little bit of it with you. We're going to go through the grammar right here. And I'm going to read this with you because it's important. I'm seeing, so I'm going to read this for you. You won't have an audio file. I'm going to do it for you. I'm seeing Jessica at 6. She'll be late. That's the second person. Predicting she will be late. You don't know for sure, but you're predicting that. I think she'll be late. The film's in French. We won't understand anything. That's your prediction. We won't understand anything. So we look here. We use will and won't for future predictions. Now look at number 2. It's a great book. I'm sure you'll like it. You'll like it. You will like it. I don't think it'll rain tomorrow. It'll. I don't think it'll rain tomorrow. So we often use think or don't think or sure with will. I'm sure you'll do fine. You will do fine. I think it'll rain tomorrow. I'm not sure. They will pass. So we use I'm sure, think, and don't think with will. All right. And here are the ways you can practice this. All of this here, you can go ahead. You won't be late. Right here, negative, won't. You'll be late. It's the positive statement. And then we have more here. Will you be late? Yes, I will be late. No, I won't be late. No, I won't. All right. All right, so let's go ahead. And you're going to have this homework here. And we're going to practice this because we use this will and won't for predictions a lot. We're often making predictions about the future. And so you will want to know these. Now, pronunciation, you're going to learn how to speak more quickly. You'll. Look at this one. I'll be late. I'll be late. I'll be late for work. You'll never learn. He'll. Now, the British pronunciation here will be different. Repeat, listen to what they're doing in the files and repeat after them. It's going to be very helpful. And then you're going to listen and write 6 sentences. What sound do the pink letters have in won't and want? Boy, this is similar. Won't, want. Oh, ah. Won't, oh, want, ah. Oh, ah. Now it's going to be slightly different with the British, so don't worry. This is an American-British difference. So don't worry if it's a bit different. That's just the natural the various English pronunciations, so it's all okay. Then you have some listening. And again, these fill in the blanks. These are fill in, write the rest of the word in. You've got the first letter, the first letter, the first letter, the first two letters. And live in, I'm not going to try to guess what these are because I can't remember. I listened to it a while ago. And then finally, down below is a speaking section, which I think is going to be really interesting for discussion when we talk about whether you're positive or negative. Do you think you'll have a nice weekend? I'd like you to practice these with speaking partners. Do you think you'll live to be 100? Do you think you'll find the love of your life? I hope all of you already have, but if you haven't, here is a chance to test your positivity. How positive are you? You gotta believe that love is around the corner. Responding to predictions, I hope so, Professor. I hope I'll meet the love of my life. I think so. Maybe, perhaps, maybe and perhaps are similar. Maybe, perhaps is used more in Britain, maybe. I doubt it. Oh, rather negative. Probably not. Probably not. Definitely not. All right. Talk about these. We're going to talk about them and study hard. You've got all the answers below, as you know. And see you very soon. Bye-bye.